child.
Yes. Good morning, Mr. Speaker.
Good morning, my lord. My lords, in this matter I appear on behalf of the appellant mother, with Mr. Hay, who sits behind me, my solicitor also behind me, and the mother behind them. Ms. Batchu and Mr. Shear appear for the local authority. The social worker is behind them, and Ms. Moose for the guardian, who is attended by her solicitor, the guardian having now retired. My lords, in this matter, the appellant applied for permission to appeal after a judgment rendered by Recorder Magennis in August this year, on the 15th of August this year, although the approved judgment didn't come through until the 3rd of November. She applied for permission to appeal, and permission was granted on the 2nd of October by my Lord Justice Jackson, particularly with regard to 3 issues identified and the reasons given for permission. The appeal skeleton, which had been lodged for appellate permission, was then, as it were, re-rendered according to those matters identified by my Lord in the permission, and a skeleton argument filed addressing those particular matters.
Yes. Well, can I just say this before we come to the substance of the appeal? We're always grateful for the efforts that go into preparing these matters for us, particularly where the appeal comes on quite quickly. But there are just a couple of practice issues we wanted to mention,
Yes.
so that they could be possibly spread around,
Yes.
which have caused us some difficulty in this case. And
Yes.
in saying this, I'm really trying to, in a helpful spirit, not
Yes, of course.
a spirit of criticism, because we appreciate the work that goes into preparing for these appeal hearings. There are 2 points really. The first is that for those of us who are reading the case electronically, the bundles were not prepared in a way that they're searchable. You will know that OCR allows you to do that, but however they've been put together,
Yes.
we've rather lost the benefit of the for which electronic bundles are so useful.
Yeah.
So if that could be thought about.
Yeah.
The second thing is that the rules reflect a practice direction in relation to the citation of authorities.
Yes.
And 5229 reflects the 2012 practice direction. We have a lot of authorities in this case, and evidently some members of the court are more familiar with them than others, but they're not in the official report form. I cited 5229, which in fact relates to authorities.
Yes.
But it does make it a lot more difficult to speedily move through the authorities. They're not sidelined.
No.
They don't have head notes.
No.
And all of those matters. So I know that you all appear in this court from time to time and are very well connected
Yes.
at the family bar. I think that the family cases tend to suffer disproportionately from this. In this case, it's caused us some slight inconvenience, but we're still in your debt for providing the material in the first place. I have no other complaint to make.
Thank you. I have to say that one of my first statements was going to be to apologise for the authorities one, because I noticed only the other day when reading it, preparing this matter for the first time since I was last engaged, that wasn't the case. And I recognise, because I also suffered from the disadvantage of not having head notes and sidelines. So I do apologise for it.
Thank you.
My Lord, the case concerns a child I'm going to call L, because I understand it's going to be a
Yes, could I formally confirm that no report of the proceedings is going to identify either the child or the child's family?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll refer to L and mother in that case, and I hope no disrespect is taken with that. L was born on the 26th of October 2023. His mother works in the city in a bank. She is in her late 50s. Elle was conceived by in vitro fertilization. The mother had a partner who very sadly died of suicide many years ago and had her child late in life. At hospital, it was noted that she was having some difficulty because it was noted that she, as they put it, she wasn't fully prepared for his arrival.
Well, could we reassure you, obviously, that we carefully studied everything that you provided us. We're very familiar with the with the history, and we appreciate that the first point at which you would be wanting to take issue with the state of preparation of your plan for the birth. But you can accept insofar as you want to refer to particular episodes or instances in the history. Take it that we're very familiar with the chronology.
And I'll simply say this in that case, that first of all, the mother went to a semi-independent unit where she was seen to, again, have some struggles. She then went to a mother and baby foster placement. By the time the local authority started to take proceedings, which is the reasons for which are set out in the first statement of the social worker in section C, that's